Hello everyone, I am Ashwin and this is the water level indicator project. For this project, you need a 9-volt battery with cap, an LED transistor, 220 ohm resistor, 5 short wires, a breadboard, 2 alligator clips, a pencil, and you need an empty cup with no water and 1 cup filled with salt water. First, you need to connect one of the alligator clips to the top part of the pencil and the second alligator clip to a distance that is at least 2 centimeters from the first clip. And then you need to take it and put it downwards like this into the empty cup. Take this aside and now we'll start with our breadboard circuit. We'll first take the resistor and keep it on our breadboard. Now we take the LED and connect it over here where the resistor ends. Now we're going to use our transistor and you have to face it to the flat edge to yourself and keep it like this. Now we're going to start connecting the short wires. Now the first wire is going to go into the positive terminal of the breadboard to the resistor. The second short wire will be from the negative terminal to the transistor's end. Now we're going to take a short wire and attach it anywhere on the positive terminal board. Now we're going to take one more, but this time we're going to connect it to the base, which is the center part of the transistor like this, and leave it out like this. Now we're going to attach the alligator clips So now we're going to take the alligator clip connected to the bottom of the pencil and attach it to the wire that we kept over here at the positive terminal of the breadboard like this. And now we are going to take the top part of the alligator clip over here and then we're going to attach it to the base part of the transistor just like this. So now to power our breadboard and the water level indicator project, we are going to use our 9-volt battery and attach it to the positive terminal and one with the negative terminal, which is the black color wire. Now as you can see, we connected the 9-volt battery to our water level indicator. As you can see, the LED is not lighting up. So for it to work, we are going to use our salt water and add it to the water level indicator. As you can see, as soon as it reaches to the top part of the alligator clip, it starts bubbling over here and then the light starts to light up. It's because this is our water level indicator, and as you can see, bubbles are forming up over here because of the electricity passing through the alligator clip. Now if I take the pencil out like this, you can see the LED has stopped lighting up because the water is too below the top part of the alligator clip. Now if I insert it back down, the water level indicator is set and the light starts to glow. Thank you.